Dear viewers, today we are going to learn about the meaning, objectives, and importance of yoga education. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us first try to understand the meaning of yoga education. Yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join or to unite. It signifies the union of the individual self, Atman, with the universal consciousness, Brahman. Traditionally, yoga is a comprehensive system of physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual development aimed at achieving harmony and balance in life. Yoga education, therefore, refers to a structured process of imparting knowledge, skills, and attitudes related to the philosophy, practice, and lifestyle of yoga. It is not limited to physical exercises but includes ethical practices, breathing techniques, meditation, and self discipline. Yoga education is more than a physical discipline, it is a transformative practice that nurtures the body, mind, and soul. In a world increasingly burdened by stress, disconnection, and unhealthy lifestyles, yoga serves as a beacon of balance and well being. Integrating yoga into education is essential for shaping future generations that are physically healthy, mentally strong, ethically grounded, and spiritually aware. Objectives of yoga education. Yoga education serves a variety of physical, psychological, and spiritual objectives. These include 1. Physical development to enhance bodily strength, flexibility, coordination, and balance. To improve physiological functions such as digestion, respiration, and circulation. To develop awareness and control over bodily functions through postures, asanas, and breathing exercises, pranayam. 2. Mental and emotional stability, to improve concentration, attention span, and memory. To reduce stress, anxiety, and depression through meditation and relaxation techniques. To cultivate positive emotions and emotional resilience. 3. Moral and ethical growth, to instill values such as truth, nonviolence, self control, discipline, and compassion as outlined in Yam and Niyama. To develop a sense of responsibility towards self, society, and the environment. 4. Spiritual enlightenment, to facilitate self realization and inner peace. To promote mindfulness and awareness of the present moment. To harmonize body, mind, and spirit for higher consciousness. 5. Holistic personality development, to nurture a balanced personality integrating intellectual, emotional, physical, and spiritual domains. To develop self confidence, inner strength, and a positive outlook on life. 6. Educational and social objectives, to improve classroom behavior, peer relationships, and academic performance. To reduce aggression, absenteeism, and behavioral problems in students. To create a calm and productive learning environment. What is the importance of yoga education? Yoga education is increasingly recognized for its multidimensional benefits in modern life and education. Its importance is highlighted in the following aspects. 1. Promotes physical health. Yoga improves posture, strengthens the immune system, and helps prevent lifestyle diseases such as hypertension, obesity, and diabetes. It supports physical fitness in a non competitive, inclusive way. 2. Improves mental well being. Through meditation and breathing exercises, yoga reduces mental fatigue and enhances mental clarity. It is a scientifically proven method to combat psychological disorders such as anxiety and depression. 3. Enhances academic performance by improving concentration, memory, and emotional regulation. Yoga directly supports better learning outcomes and exam performance. It reduces academic stress and promotes a calm state of mind. 4. Builds emotional intelligence. Yoga cultivates self awareness and empathy. Students learn to manage their emotions, deal with frustration, and show compassion toward others, contributing to a healthier social environment. 5. Develops self discipline and character. Through regular practice, yoga instills self discipline, patience, and a sense of responsibility. It helps students lead a balanced and principled life aligned with ethical values. 6. Fosters social harmony. Yoga education promotes peace, cooperation, and mutual respect. In diverse societies, it becomes a tool for fostering unity, tolerance, and collective well being. 7. Supports inclusive education. Yoga practices can be adapted to different age groups, abilities, and needs. It is inclusive and promotes equity in the classroom by benefiting all students regardless of their physical or cognitive status. 8. National and global relevance. Recognizing its universal value, the United Nations declared 21st June as International Day of Yoga. In India, yoga is also emphasized under the National Education Policy (NEP) 2020, reflecting its importance in building a healthy and aware citizenry. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. 1. The primary meaning of the term yoga is A. Separation, B. Disintegration, C. Union, D. Relaxation. Answer: C. Union. 2. Which of the following is not a component of yoga education? A. Meditation, B. Manual labor, C. Pranayam, D. Ethical practices. Answer: B. Manual labor. 3. One of the main objectives of yoga education is to A. Promote competitive exams, B. Increase physical strength only, C. Achieve holistic development, D. Ignore emotional needs. Answer: C. Achieve holistic development. 4. In the context of yoga education, YAM refers to A. Physical exercises, B. Breathing patterns, C. Moral restraints, D. Meditation techniques. Answer: C. Moral restraints. 5. According to yoga education, education should aim at the development of A. Body and memory only, B. Social and political awareness, C. Head, heart, and hand, D. Industrial skills. Answer: or C. Head, heart, and hand. 6. Which aspect of a student is improved by regular practice of meditation? A. Appetite, B. Hair growth, C. Concentration, D. Height. Answer: C. Concentration. 7. Which day has been declared as the International Day of Yoga by the United Nations? A. 1st July, B. 21st June, C. 15th August, D. 10th March. Answer: B. 21st June. 8. Yoga helps in developing which type of intelligence the most? A. Artificial intelligence, B. Emotional intelligence, C. Financial intelligence, D. Logical intelligence. Answer: B. Emotional intelligence. 9. Yoga education aligns closely with which policy in India? A. National Youth Policy 2014. B. Right to Education Act. C. National Education Policy 2020. D. Digital India Policy. Answer: C. National Education Policy 2020. 10. What does pranayam focus on? A. Body stretching. B. Sound therapy. C. Breath control. D. Eye exercises. Answer: C. Breath control. 11. Yoga can support inclusive education because A. It only works for elite students. B. It is competitive. C. It is adaptable to various needs and abilities. D. It requires advanced equipment. Answer: C. It is adaptable to various needs and abilities. 12. A key importance of yoga education in schools is to A. Reduce academic stress. B. Promote political ideologies. C. Increase competition among students. D. Ignore physical activity. Answer: A. Reduce academic stress. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.